It's been 3.5 years since the body of 21-year-old Fahmi Rahman was pulled from the waters of Lake Ontario, but the memory is still very raw.
On March 31st, we got the call that they found him. Even then, we're hope beyond hope. We were thinking, okay, maybe they found someone else, but it was him.
He left behind a suicide note in his room weeks before, talking about the pain he felt. Rahman is one of 13 young Bengali men in the GTA who died by suicide between 2016 and 2017.
The number of people who committed suicide within a very short period of time was alarming, actually.
Alarming enough to prompt some professionals in the community to explore why. They found a pattern.
All of them are in between, the 17 to 23 in this age group. They were all in university student or college student, and all are male.
For the past 2 years, the group has been interviewing parents and young men in the Bengali community, culminating in a report.
Number one findings and major findings was the communication gap. So the communication gap between parents and children.
In group discussions, they learned young men felt pressure to perform academically and were searching for someone to share their feelings with, which can carry a stigma.
This is kind of, the taboo and based on the mental health, like people got discriminated.
I was just having a lot of mental breakdowns, and it was just getting worse and worse to the point where I didn't even think I needed to live.
Some of those findings ring true for 19-year-old Ifaj Hassan, who has opened up to his parents about his struggles in high school.
I still think there's a stigma. Like, a lot of people, they're afraid to open up. I myself was afraid to open up at first.
The group hopes to share their research widely.
If this research can save one life, we would say our research is successful.
Saving one life can mean saving a family a lifetime of pain. Farah Morali, CBC News, Toronto.